Welcome students. In this session we will study about drawing a line parallel to another given line at a given distance from the given line. Okay. The question may be something like this. Draw a line segment AB of length 5.4 centimeter. This is the line given line, and draw a line parallel to AB at 4.3 centimeter distance from using set square. So to draw parallel lines, we can use the three instruments, using the set square, using the protractor, using the compass. So three different ways of drawing parallel lines are there. So if it is specifically asked to draw parallel lines using set square or compass or something, you will have to do the method asked for. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not stated, you are supposed to do it using compass, which is assumed as a higher order way of doing it. Okay. So before that, we would like to see distance at a distance of 4c. It is said here at a distance of 4.3 centimeter from the given line. At a distance of means two parallel lines are there. What do you understand by the distance between the parallel lines? That does matter. What do you understand by distance between parallel lines? Okay. Perpendicular line between parallel lines. It is the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines is called the distance between the parallel lines. What do you understand by perpendicular distance between the parallel lines? See here, I have an example of it. I'll zoom and show it to you. Here I have two parallel lines. As you can see, this is one parallel line. This is another parallel line. These two are parallel lines. Okay. The distance between them is same. Means, see, there are certain lines from this point on one line. I have drawn several lines. Some lines are colored red. Some line, only one line, which is making an angle of 90 degree here. This is making an angle of 90 degree with the other line. Okay. All other these are acute angles. These are all acute angles. The lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 lines are making some angle which is acute, less than 90 degree. Okay. And these all angles are obtuse. These all make obtuse angles. These are all making obtuse angles. Okay, acute and obtuse. But the one, this center one, which is black in color, it is at 90 degree to both the lines. Okay, so this particular length of this perpendicular is called the distance between the parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between the parallel lines is the meaning of the distance between the two lines. So when we are asked to draw a line parallel to another given line, suppose this is the given line, this is the given line. I'll just change the cursor to something else. I'll show it to you in this mode. Suppose this is the given line, okay, and this is the another line to be. I just have to construct a perpendicular at any point on the line, okay, and then another line which is perpendicular to this perpendicular distance will be parallel to the given line. Okay, so this is the concept, idea behind drawing a line parallel to another given line. So we will be doing it using set square first. Now in the first case, we will draw a line segment. We are taking this example and drawing a parallel line parallel at 4.3 centimeter. This question is the same. AB is a line segment of length 5.4 centimeter, which I have marked here, AB, and it is 5.4 centimeter. You can check it. Okay, and we'll have to draw a line parallel to AB at a distance of 4.3 centimeter using set square. Okay, I'll just zoom out so that okay, let that be. We will have to draw a perpendicular to this, but using set square we are going to do first. Okay, that's what the question here. So we will first take the set square. I will introduce you to this set square. In this set square, this angle is 90 degree, and these two angles may vary depending upon the size of the, see, this set square is adjustable, but this angle will be 90 degree. At one edge of it, it is graduated in centimeters. Okay, other end is a blank without any graduations. Okay, so this is 90 degree. These two angles form a pair of complementary pair because the total angle is 180. So the two other angles will be a complementary pair, this being the right angle. I can adjust this set squares distance also just by pulling this or pulling up like this, but yet this 90 degree angle will not change, only the other two angles will change. So I am taking this one, I can rotate it by just holding it. I can rotate it to any angle about the vertex of the 90 degree angle. Okay, what I will do, I will just keep the ruler here under the line AB. At any point I will have to draw a perpendicular to it. Okay, so I am just keeping rolling, and take the set square. I keep it in such a way that it is, see here, I am keeping it above the ruler in such a way there is no gap between the edge of the ruler and the edge of the set square. I can just move it along it. I take any point in between A and B. Okay, after that I remove the ruler. Now I can draw a 90 degree line here, taking the 90 degree edge of, I'll take this edge of it. From this edge I am drawing a line which is exactly that. So you can see it is exactly at 90 degree. Okay, so I can remove the ruler now, I mean the set square now. This is the perpendicular line, perpendicular to AB. At any point I have drawn a perpendicular of any length. Okay, the parallel line should be at a distance of 4.3 centimeters. So for that I use the compass, because distances are always measured with that. You can see it now, it's at a distance of 4 centimeters. When I press it, you can see, I'll zoom it and show it to you. Okay, so when you see it, now the compass is set at 4 centimeters, but that line which is perpendicular to AB would be at 4.3. So I am just clicking that compass to set the distance of compass. I am clicking and dragging it right, so that now it is 4.3. As you can see here, it's at 4.3. See here, it is at 4.3. It is shown here. This is the distance set. So I am not going to change this without affecting the. I bring it over to here. I rotate it about here. The distance is still 4.3 only. Okay, I'll rotate it to here. .3. Now I can bring it over here, and then I can just draw this arc. Now it's at 4.3. Now again I will take the ruler here. Okay, I'll turn it around like this. I'll turn it around. Let me just reduce this height of this scale ruler. I'll turn it around still. I'll turn it around still. Okay, after keeping the ruler like this, I'll take this square. I can flip it and change the edge of it. I'll keep it like this. I'll keep it at this point. Now I can rotate the ruler, and then I can bring it over here. I can rotate the ruler and keep it. See, now it is exactly at this point. It is both the ends are aligned, well aligned. Little difference is there here. Yeah. So now I can remove it. I can draw one more line here from here to here, which is the line required. The line required is drawn parallel to the given line. So this is how I will be drawing this line. This is an extra line, due to mistake it has come. Okay. So the line which is at 4.3, you can see it, the distance is 4.3.